Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting a post-market and pre-market analysis regularly for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So if you are a beginner, please watch my old videos. Okay, so you can able to learn basics and all. So planning to do more videos on technical analysis and other topics in share market. So based on your support only, I can able to do. Okay, so coming to the point, this is post-market analysis for Bank Nifty. So whoever not watched yesterday my pre-market analysis for Bank Nifty today, please watch that and come back here. Okay. So this only I showed on yesterday's video. Like as per our prediction, so market will be little trending and expected only like long position or sideways only. uh, I said maximum there will be no short opportunities. Okay, so same thing happened, and also I said market already started recovering for a few days before itself. Correct. So you can check my previous videos. Okay. So today it is like we cannot expect this much, but it was open gap up around 200 points and went overall 900 plus points today itself. So this is thing will happen at any time. Okay, you can expect the unexpected things in share market. Okay, so based on the levels, okay, for the long position, I said once retracements from here, you can go up to here, right, 49.32. But and also I normally I'll explain my videos. If it is a trending day, it won't take retracement anyway. It will break all levels and it will go up. So that only happened today. So what you need to do once if it is not retracement, once it is broken these levels, okay, previous day high, market can reverse to down. Correct. So it is not taken resistance here. It was broken and taken support from here. Okay. So you have to go for long from here itself. So after you can either you can close this position if you are a beginner, or else you can trial your stop loss from here. So it won't come back here. Can you able to see this much of big candles will reach high levels. You can get good profits without hitting your stop loss. So if you're trailing your stop loss from here, it will come around here. Okay, so almost 500 plus points. So overall, you can able to get it. Okay, because today 900 plus points market has been reached in Bank Nifty. Okay, so that's it. For that, you have to know what are the levels, what are the support levels, the resistance levels will be there, where market can reverse. Everything you need to understand. Okay, so based on my levels, I'm posting the videos. So whoever following me, okay, please analyze on your own ideologies and then start executing. Okay, so how market has been following this levels and price actions things and all. Okay, so as per, so I know this is the levels and all. So it has been breaking all levels here. So I know market will be go long from here. So where need to exit, everything we know only after we drawn this kind of levels and price actions only. Okay, so that's it. uh, so it was a good long day today. Long positions buyers has been taken more profits today. Okay, without hitting any stop losses. Only the second half it has been a little sideways. That will normally happen. Okay, that is also there is a reason for here, because see I have posted here strong support. If taken resistance, then market can fall again. Correct. So market having a strong resistance here, so it was not unable to break here and coming down and come. Bulls are very strong, so breaking again and coming down here. Okay, so this kind of zone you have to book your profits itself or trial your stop loss. Okay, so you will come out with better profits. That's it. So once you get to know this kind of levels only, you can able to trade without any fears. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is about the post-market report of Bank Nifty, how our levels are supported in today trading. Okay, so if you taken any trades today, okay, or if you have any suggestions on my levels, please let me know. So that will me boost up me to put more videos on my price actions. Okay, That's it. We'll see you on next video for Monday pre-market analysis. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.